Here's some larger pieces of Boulder Opal. It's low grade material, great to practice on, or if you wanted some pieces for bases for little sculptures or whatever, these might be a choice that you might like. They've come off, a lot of it's come off wall tiles and or been used as wall tile, and the backs of some of them have glue. Like this piece is still showing a few little bits. What's left on it generally comes off reasonably easy, but as you can see, quite large pieces. Don't forget you can stop and rewind the video at any time. We're going a bit closer. Okay, we're a bit closer. This piece has got some reds showing through just here. Whether it cut stones, I don't know. It's got natural fissures in it as well. That area would polish up a fair bit better. Got a flat back on it. It's nice and flat on a table. Another piece with potch and colour on it down the side there. Again from tiles. Another big piece, as is that. If they break in transit, that's part of the deal. They'll be packed just as a bucket or box full. They won't be individually wrapped. Something like that's just nice to, looks like a piece of Keroit type material, pretty hard. Just cut that into or a larger piece as a pendant, use the shape of it as it is. It's a piece with a bit more colour on it. Pieces like that you could just cab it the way it is. Some of these smaller bits probably might haven't anything much on it. They've just been scooped out of a big drum. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Priced on those bigger pieces. Cheers.